hip hooray, this is the day that we go out to play.
You see me.
Get your cups and your canes, come on baby, come follow me this way. Hip hip hooray, this is the day that we go out to play. Get your cups and your canes, come on baby, come follow me this way.
They call me Mr. Get Out and Kick It.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Sorry that I haven't been posting. So we're at Wildwood and we're gonna be here for 3 to 4 days. I'm trying to vlog every single day. I know I'm proper month.
Or renegotiated. We're in the process of renegotiating. Right now, renegotiating.
So it's the next day, guys, and it's raining and it's pretty gloomy. It's supposed to be raining all day. We're just gonna figure out what we can do. We're probably gonna do something inside, like the aquarium, or they have an arcade, so we might go inside the arcade or something, do something like that.
To spin the wheel. Well, let's just hope the fish are hungry today, huh?
Oh,
That was almost a
my
big
God.
bonus.
I'm
But at least you got yourself 4 tickets.
I'm highly upset. Nope,
Be a good
nope.
sport. Play again.
Highly upset right now. Mom, that ticket thing, I was literally this close, and I got it on tape of me being this close to getting that 1,000 tickets. This is why I don't play arcade games.
Hip hip hooray, this is the day that we go out to play. Get your cups and your canes, come on baby, come follow me this way. Hip hip hooray, this is the day that we go out to play. Get your cups and your come follow me this way. Hip hip hooray, this come on baby, come. This is the day that we go out to play.
You see me.
Get your cups and your canes, come on baby, come follow me this way. Hip hip hooray, this is the day that we go out to play. Get your cups and your canes, come on baby.
Thank you. So we just came back from the water park, and now we're about to go to the amusement park. I just went home, well, went to the room, took a shower, and changed my clothes. So, and I brought a hoodie just in case it get cold. So now we're on our way to get on some roller coasters. I'm so ghetto. Mother-daughter goals. Fabricia, say hi to the vlog. Look how high it's going. All the way up there. About to drop. Just see that after face. Bruh. Yo, that face, I hope I caught it. I don't think I did. How was it? I made some kind of alien noise. I don't know what it was. Hey guys, so it's the next and last day at Wildwood. We woke up super early to get some last minute fun things happening. So we're riding tandem bikes. It's it's a 4-1, so all 4 of us can fit on there. And we have to check out at 11, and it's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So, and this is my outfit.
ATM never read not a line. Certified businessman, so I.
Floor is live of 1, 2, 3, 4. You're dead.